Hello, buyers and sellers. What is ahead as we move into the second half of 2024? What is the latest housing forecast from the experts? Hi, I am Sumarshi, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Hard to believe that we are in the second half of 2024. One question my team and me are asked frequently is it a good time to buy or sell? To answer this question, we have to look at what is happening with mortgage rates, inventory, and pricing. As of today, mortgage rates continue to trend on the higher side. According to the websites, despite earlier reports in the year that rates would come down into the 5% range, we still continue to see rates hovering in the high 6 and low 7 range. However, experts are still optimistic rates will tick down later this year. Now, let us take a look at inventory levels across the board. Overall, we still see inventory levels lower than normal with new listings at historic lows. According to Redfin Market Report, new listings up 7.7% from 2023 but still below typical levels for this time of the year. We are seeing many listings on the market becoming stale and on market for 30 days or longer without an offer. This is largely due to the interest levels and properties that have not been priced right when they go to the market or their condition is not move-in ready. Most buyers today do not want to do costly repairs or renovations. They are looking for properties that are in the good condition to avoid spending money on repairs in an already expensive housing market. The good news is that the buyers are still out there and willing to pay premium prices, but only if the homes they are purchasing are in good condition and in a good location. And while home prices still remain at record highs, the pace at which they have been growing has slowed down. Why is this? Mainly because even though we are still in a housing shortage, our inventory levels are not as severe as 2023. Buyers are seeing more homes on the market, which gives them more options to choose from. This in turn helps keep prices from becoming overinflated. So, if you have to ask yourself, is now a good time to buy or sell? The answer depends solely on your overall situation. If you would like more information on what is happening in your local area, please reach out to me and my team so that we can give you an in-depth analysis on inventory, pricing, and mortgage rates. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar helping buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thanks and have a nice day.